everyone. As you all know the importance of rabies disease, so today I, Vidhi Sahu of class 6B from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans would like to explain you my Rangoli. World Rabies Day is celebrated annually to raise awareness about the rabies disease. The most important is to get our pet dogs and stray dogs vaccinated. So in my Rangoli, I have deprecated this fact. All the owners must make sure that their dogs have been vaccinated during the correct duration. Then if at all a dog bites, the first thing we must make sure that we wash our hands properly using Dettol and visit a doctor as soon as possible. By taking some small precautions and through by effective medication, we can cure and eradicate it. Be safe, stay safe. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Devyani and I am from class 6th. I am going to explain my Rangoli. My Rangoli describes the things that we should not do with dogs. We should never disturb them when they are busy in eating, sleeping and when she is feeding her pups. We should not disturb them at this time because it can make them angry and they can hurt you. And also we should not never disturb them. Thank you and have a nice day.
As we all know, 28th September is celebrated as World Rabies Day. Do you know what is the meaning of rabies? Rabies is nothing but it's a dangerous disease a person can get if he or she is bitten by an animal having rabies. Now what should we do when we are bitten by an animal having rabies? I have done this Rangoli to show you all. In the first picture, you all can see that a person is washing the wound with soap and running water. So our first step is, whenever a dog bites, we should immediately wash the wound with soap and running water for 15 minutes. This helps to remove about 90% of viral particles. In the second picture, you all can see that a person is applying Dettol on the wound. So our second step is disinfect the wound with Dettol, spirit, etc. Do not cover the wound or apply home remedies. This can make the wound septic. Now the third and the last. Whenever a dog bites, we should immediately go to a doctor for the full course of post-bite injections. I would like to end with a quote. Be rabies smart and get your pets vaccinated. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today I am Mani of class 8 from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans, Narayan Bandikar School is going to tell you all the importance of Rabies Day and I am also going to explain my Rangoli. Rabies Day is celebrated annually to raise awareness about rabies prevention and to highlight the progress in defeating this horrifying disease. 28th September also marks the anniversary of Louis Pasteur's death, the first chemist and microbiologist. He also developed the first rabies vaccine. So now I am going to explain my Rangoli. So in my Rangoli, I have duplicated this fact that rabies is spread by the biting of dogs. So please do not disturb dogs while eating, feeding and sleeping. Thank you and have a nice day.
The way a healthy dog behaves is usual and depends on his age, breed or type and past experience. However, most dogs are playful, sociable animals and they enjoy playing together with toys, people and other dogs. Changes in behavior may suggest that something is wrong with a dog's health. My Rangoli is based on World Rabies Day. It depicts that we should never approach a barking, growling or scared dog. Instead, we should avoid eye contact with the dog and stand very still like a tree until the animal moves away. Once the dog loses interest, the child can slowly back away. Thank you and have a nice day.
are also a part of our family. Love them, care for them, and get them vaccinated to help erase rabies. Good evening, everyone. This is Nisha Vittal Charudi of Standard 8 from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Narayan Bandekar School. Every year, World Rabies Day is celebrated on 28 September. It's a global health observance started in 2007 to raise awareness about rabies, enhance prevention, and control its effect. So on behalf of this day, I have designed a rangoli to spread awareness about rabies. So according to the theme, I have made a dog in the center, and beside it, I have written some of the prevention. Never run in front of a dog at high speed. If a dog comes close to you, stand still like a tree. Never disturb a dog who is feeding its baby. Never disturb a dog who is sleeping or eating. Never throw stones at a dog. Go to the doctor immediately. Don't be late. If licked, scratched or bitten by a dog, seek a doctor and save your life. Thank you and happy World Rabies Day.
I am Riddhi from class 9 Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Narayan Bandekar School. Today I am going to tell you all a small message depicting from my rangoli. My rangoli shows a boy throwing a stone on the dog, which is wrong. We should not throw stones on the dogs, which can easily provoke them to bite us. So, to stay on the safer side, we should not throw stones on the dogs and take care of them and love them. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Sanvi from class 9 Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Narayan Bandekar School is going to tell you about the message depicted by my rangoli on World Rabies Day. As you can see that the rangoli says do not make eye contact with the dog, which is to raise awareness among people about rabid dogs which get into a fit of rage if you stare into their eyes and may even harm you. If you come across such a dog, you may look away and quietly pass by, or you can stand still until the dog has gone. Thank you and have a nice day.